What is it, Truman?
I saw the train.
Where?
I saw the train. I see it moving. It's moving. I saw the train.
You ready to go back home?
No.
What is that, Truman? Do you like that?
Now I see the train. Yes, I like the train. Is it leaving? I see the train, Mom.
Do you see it, Val?
Yes. I'm talking about. Val doesn't know what he's talking about.
You ready for another adventure, Phoenix?
Yes. I want. Yes.
What'd you say about it, Truman? Be careful, the coaches are really small.
Yes.
It looks like a small train, doesn't it?
Nothing backwards, but not.
Truman is over here losing his mind.
Because you get to see a real train.
This is so cute.
He's gonna eat me.
What'd you say, Val?
He's gonna eat me.
It's gonna hit you.
No,
That's why we gotta watch out.
what does it say? What?
Come over here. This way. This way. Come here, Rowan. Isn't that neat? I think that thing was on it. Was that thing on that?
What thing?
Come on this way. Whoops. Rowan. Rowan. Come here. I know it looks neat, doesn't it? I think we need to walk across the tracks.
What does it say? I hear the train's whistle.
Are you excited, Truman?
Of course Truman is. He loves Thomas.
Let's go pay. Val, are you excited?
Yes. Hello.
Are you excited, Val?
Wow, the pretty lady.
Oh, please don't climb on there.
What if you fall over and Thomas eats you?
Right.
Hey, Mom. What's the date? What's the date? It's on there. Whoa. I see the date. That's the date. What's the date, Mom? How small they are. Whoa. And
What,
there's
Phoenix?
doors. I want to see the train. Oh, the date.
That looks so epic.
Hey, Mom, it's a day. I want to sit in the back.
I want this in my backyard. We're going. You holding Truman's hand, Phoenix?
Whoa,
Look, the
let's
engine.
see where there's doors. I don't think we're going to be able to.
Well, let's go far back as we can. Hold on, this way. Is that neat? Keep on, Val. Come on. Rowan, come back.
In this seat.
Wait, hold on.
For everyone, Mom.
You got our tickets, so you're going to hand them to them when they ask? Awesome. Truman, you like this?
Yes.
Is this everything you wanted to do?
Could I sit next to you? You want to sit next to me? Yes.
Are y'all having fun?
Yes. Truman is my Thomas buddy. He forced me into liking it. How come it moves slow? Gotta go bye, Mom.
You like the smell?
Yeah.
You like that, Belle? Is it neat, Truman? Truman is in his own world. You having fun, Truin?
It's where they it's the skateboards.
That is so tight, isn't it?
Whoa.
I want one of those in my backyard.
It's the Tim the shit.
Isn't that cool looking?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is what you call next level stuff, isn't it? I am a conductor of a miniature train line. Look, and they build it. That's so cool.
Make sure there's no other train. The Whistling Woods. No, this is now we're going to the Whistling Woods. Trees are chopped down.
Misty Island.
We're in the Whistling Woods. Mom, we're in the Whistling Woods. No, it's Misty Island.
You having fun, Truin? You like this?
Yes. Are we still in this? No, there's lots of snow. There's snow.
More trains.
I guess this is like Thomas the Tank Engine.
What is that, Truin?
Just look that way so if there's a
Where's it coming from?
It will hit
We're going faster. Are we going faster, Truin?
We're going the same fast as the car.
Did you see that, Truin?
Mom, I think I'm blocking most of the smoke for
What happened, Truin?
Yeah, it's like this. Mom, it's that.
Was that a bridge? This train's like the real deal, isn't it, Phoenix?
Yes, it's sunny. We're in the Whistling Woods.
Look, a junction.
Oh,
Phoenix. Phoenix, you got him? You got him, Phoenix?
Work faster. Close the door.
Good job, Phoenix.
Whoa! What is that? That.
Bye.
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 Bye. You're leaving us He's leaving us behind. I think he's going to get more coal. No. What he does
Did you like that, Truin?
He goes to a turntable. I've seen the Thomas, because I have to. He goes to a turntable, turns around, and then he'll come back to the train.
I didn't even notice that was Hero.
Cool! Splinter!
Truin, did that train pulling us look like Hero? It's called Fall. Fall. It's about to be fall and it's beautiful. And we're on a miniature train. They're living the good life.